We are analyzing the extreme hardware value and pro-grade engineering of the new Sony Xperia 1 VIII global version to see how it redefines the ultra-premium flagship smartphone market. Before we dive into the specs, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with the latest tech analysis. Now, let's talk hardware. The core processing architecture is driven by the ultra-powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 flagship chipset, heavily coupled with an upgraded graphite sheet cooling system and an optimized internal vapor chamber to maintain peak unthrottled performance under heavy workloads. For storage and memory layout, this premium device comes equipped with high-speed configurations of up to 12 GB or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM paired with 256 GB or 512 GB of UFS 4.0 internal storage, completely eliminating system bottlenecking. The display is an absolute masterclass, featuring Sony's iconic, clean 6.5-inch 4K HDR OLED panel with a cinematic 21:9 aspect ratio, fluid 120Hz refresh rate, and zero notches or punch holes to interrupt your viewing. Sustaining this heavy performance profile is a robust 5000 mAh high-density battery, weaponized with 30W rapid USB PD fast charging and introducing official MagSafe/Qi2 magnetic wireless charging connectivity for seamless ecosystem accessories. The photography department is dominated by a pro-grade triple camera array, featuring a 50-megapixel main sensor with advanced optical image stabilization (OIS), a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a pioneering continuous optical zoom telephoto lens co-developed with Sony Alpha engineers. The hardware remains fully loaded with essential enthusiast features, including a multifunctional NFC chip, a side-mounted physical fingerprint sensor, a microSD card expansion slot, and the legendary 3.5mm headphone jack inside a premium Gorilla Glass Victus 2 chassis holding a certified IP65/IP68 waterproof rating. Running the latest official global version skin, the device is powered by a clean, near-stock Android 16 operating system out of the box, offering full Google Play services, exclusive pro video creator applications, and long-term security updates. The standout feature is definitely the combination of that unmatched 4K clean display, the continuous zoom telephoto, and the new MagSafe ecosystem, making it the ultimate dream machine for professional creators. Stay ahead of the tech curve, like, subscribe, and check the link in the first comment. Thanks for watching.